In this video, I'm going to cover the reasons you should not become a real estate agent. All right, here's the first reason you should not become a real estate agent. You're focused on making millions of dollars. This should not be an industry that you enter for making money. I promise you, this is a lifestyle. It is not like anything you've ever done, okay? So make sure you're not doing it for the money. Number two, don't come into real estate if you think that this is easy, right? Anybody can sell a house. The reality of it is there's an 87% fail rate in real estate in the first 5 years for a reason. Most people come in with the wrong expectations. I love looking at the look on people's faces when they get into real estate as new agents and they realize, holy crap, there is so much to learn. There's so many things to juggle. I mean, you have to be a really good counselor. You have to help people work through due diligence. You could be sued at any point. You're dealing with hundreds of thousands, millions of dollars of people's hard-earned money. And believe me, everything is time sensitive as well, right? On top of that, you could be dealing with a very fast-paced market, which is going to have to make you really speed up things, which puts you in a position where you can make more mistakes. So I'll just say this, don't get into real estate if you think it's easy. The other reason why you should not get into real estate is because you want to drive a fancy car and that you think that you're going to look amazing. The reality of it is what you see on TV with these $1 million listing agents is only a very tiny fraction of real estate. The reality of it is there's a ton of rejection that you're going to face on a regular basis. You need to have thick skin. You need to persevere. You need to have persistence. And you also need to have a plan. If you don't have a plan and you just think you're going to get into real estate because you have a dynamic personality, you'll probably end up falling flat on your face. Another mistake you should not make if you're going to enter real estate is come in with no resources behind you. Look, there's a chance that you may not make any money in the first 3 months, 6 months. In some cases, you may not make any real money in the first year. You have to be able to weather that, have a realistic expectation and a long-term plan so that you can persevere. I can assure you that the fruits of your labor as an agent could be very well worth it. I mean, it has completely changed my life. However, I had a very clear idea of what I was getting into, and I had a very clear plan. The final thing is, if you think you're going to get into real estate and you're just going to do it on your own, the likelihood of you having success is going to go down dramatically. Most people do better starting on a team or getting into the right mentorship group, right? Those mentors are going to be people that can help uplift you and can help show you the way and road to success. And the final reason you should not become a real estate agent is because you think that it's going to be glamorous. This is not a glamorous industry. This is an industry where not everybody is going to view you as a professional. A lot of people are going to think that you do very little for a lot of pay, which could be the furthest thing from the truth. I mean, imagine going to work for somebody, spending 60, 80, 100 hours and never being paid for it. If that sounds appealing to you, then you could definitely be a realtor. Thank you so much for watching. If you really found this valuable, smash the like button below, subscribe to our YouTube page, and then look for more amazing content.